you tech fans out there, this is TechX, and I'm showing you this newest video on how to create a crasher file that can crash a computer without harming it, like damaging it. This can just, it's more for annoyance purposes really, but it can crash the computer basically if you don't, my computer probably can handle it, but any average computer probably will crash. Since my computer's more powerful, it could probably withstand what it does. First of all, always this, you're gonna open Notepad. Now on Windows 7, I'm pretty sure you can just press the Windows key and search for it, but mine doesn't have that because it's Windows 10. That's what I don't like about it, but here we go. What you want to type in is at echo off. So we're gonna need echo off, and then we're gonna need CLS, then semicolon, capital A, then go down here. This is going to be starting the file, start crasher dot bat, then go to, I think it was A. Now we're going to save this. And we're going to save as, actually. I'm just going to save it to my desktop so we can view it. Crasher is all lowercase. Crasher.bat. Make sure you save it as all files. So that way, it works. Then you just press save. It'll show up. There it is. You can just close this now. You don't need it anymore. Now, I'm not going to run this on my main computer because, well, I would have to stop it, and I don't feel like doing that. So we're just gonna put it to my USB, which is right now plugged into my computer. Overlord. Then we're just gonna put this right in here. Alright, now we're gonna open up VMware, and we're gonna run this thing in an emulator. Alright, so I'm in the virtual machine now. Alright. I created this virtual machine so we could run viruses on this channel and not break our computer, like our regular computer. Just pull out the crasher right out here. Alright, you can close this. Now, this virtual machine isn't that powerful. Like I didn't give it that much power, so it's not gonna have much stuff. Hold up. Just put this down here. Yeah. Alright, so now basically you just run it. You don't have to, nothing special, you just run it. Now I'm going to run it as administrator, because I wonder, I haven't used this in a while, so I completely forgot what it did. But alright, we're just going to run it, just in case. Yes, and now, oh, it opened up, what? Hello? Oh my, okay, here we go. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is what it's doing. Now, this is a virtual machine. So, I don't know if it will actually break or, oh, it's slowing it down. Oh, it's slowing down a lot. Okay. Yeah, so this is basically what it does. Now, let's try opening something while this is running. It's not even opening. It opened. Oh my, it's hidden behind windows of command prompt. Yeah, we got about a couple hundred windows of this. It's slowing down. Can I even restart? I can't even open this. My numlock just turned off. Yo, it's messing with my keyboard too. My numlock turned. Scroll lock is on. It's off again. Oh my god. This thing is pretty powerful. I mean, not powerful. I've created other things. But if you want to slow down someone's computer and make them bug out, then, yeah, there's the one. Alright, now I think, okay, it's not even responding to me anymore. Alright, now I know, okay, so this is easily fixable, actually. All you have to do is restart your computer, like if you run this on an actual computer. But for me, I'm just gonna power this virtual machine off. And when I restart it, it's gonna be squeaky clean. It'll be fine. But yeah, that's basically how you create a crasher.bat and have it shut down a computer. Well, make a computer crash. Alright. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Peace.